Well, I just about got all the bugs out of the new engine, so now it's time to move along to some other things, like getting my air conditioning back. One thing to take extra special note of is that 351 blocks are considerably wider than 302s. Nominal dimension is about 3/4 of an inch, but I believe by the time you get the headers on there and the AC and everything else, it's considerably wider than that. In my case, not only was the AC line close, actually the headers were touching it. So in this shot, I've already removed the bracket and bent the line slightly upwards. The next issue is what to insulate it with. After looking around on Summit Racing, I managed to find this. This thermoflect cloth from Heat Shield Products is designed to be used to coat items that are exposed to high heat. It is not designed to actually coat the exhaust itself. According to the specs provided, it's supposed to be good to 1100 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's designed, of course, as a radiation shield. Now, to be sure, this reflective shielding isn't exactly cheap. About 4 square feet of it is over $55 if you buy it from online sources. In my case, I bought it through Amazon, and it was actually cheaper than buying it on Summit Racing. I decided I'd take it one step further and add a little conductive shielding as well. This was an old piece of 1-inch OD Tygon that's about 3/4 of an inch inside diameter. I split the Tygon all the way down the middle, and in some cases I held it in place by using wire ties. Now to apply this shielding, you use a sharp pair of scissors and cut it to size. It's only about 0.018 thick. It's got the actual metal shielding layer, then a layer of what looks to be cloth, might be asbestos, can't guarantee it, and an adhesive layer. You just peel off the backing and apply it as you would any band-aid, I guess you would say, by wrapping it around or wrapping it on top of whatever you have that you'd like to shield the heat from. Obviously, since I'm dealing with a bunch of curved surfaces here, there's no way I can put this on the tubing without having some wrinkles in it. Since the air conditioning line is now coated completely with reflective material, I shouldn't have to worry much about the headers overheating my refrigeration line. Now to get this safely mounted back up out of the way of the headers, I had to take the existing bracket and do some considerable beating and banging on it to get it back around again to fit over the new insulation. And the bracket is installed upside down after having moved the line up slightly. And as you can see in this shot, I've got plenty of clearance now between the actual refrigeration line and the headers. So this should finish the job, and I should be able to get my air conditioning back online pretty quick this way. That wraps this one up. Take care, y'all. See you on the next video.